Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to share Uber trip with trusted contacts. For that you need to open your Uber app and tap account and then go to safety, and for that you need to open your Uber app and then tap on account that will be on the bottom of your mobile screen. Then go to your settings and then head straight to safety, and then you need to tap manage trusted contacts, and then you will be able to add trusted contact. For that, tap add trusted contact and select people from your phone contact list and choose your sharing preferences, and you can choose you'll get three options: all trip, nighttime only, and none. And if none, you will have to manually initiate a sharing for every ride, and that is how you share your And now to share your live trip, go and request a ride as usual, and swipe down on the bottom, and then swipe down on the bottom information panel where the driver's name is, and then tap share trip status, and then select the trusted contact you want to notify, or select add to choose any other contact from your phone, and then send, and then your contact will receive a text message with a link. And that is how you share your Uber trip with trusted contact. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.